Hi, welcome to the TunesKit. Today's video will show you how to fix unable to share photos on iPhone. The inability to share photos may be due to low battery mode being turned on, or a network or system error. First, you can go into settings and enter the battery interface to see if the low power mode is turned on. At the same time, check whether the network connection is wrong or switch to a more stable network. Method 3. Reset network settings. Another way to fix iPhone unable to share photos error is to check your iPhone's network settings. In the General panel, click Reset and select Reset Network Settings, then enter your passcode to confirm the action. Method 4. Restart iPhone. For iPhone X and later models, push and hold either the volume button or the side button of the iPhone until the slider that you should drag appears. Then press and hold the side button to turn on the iPhone. Method 5. Use TunesKit iOS System Recovery. This professional software is excellent at solving all the system errors of iOS. Let's see how it works. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to computer and open the TunesKit. Choose iOS System Repair section and press the Start button. Step 2. Select Standard Repairing Mode. Next, you should confirm your device information is correct, and then press the Download button to download the firmware package. Do not disconnect from the computer during the download process. The firmware package will start to be automatically parsed after downloading. Then click the Repair button and wait for the recovery process to finish. In a few minutes, your iPhone not sharing photos problem will be solved. Method 6. Sign into the iCloud account again. You can try to sign out of the account of it. Wait for a while and then sign into your account again. Or try to turn on iCloud Photos library again. If the above content is helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.